We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. What are you doing now, Dave?
Scraping caulk out.
Where are you at? The back end of the coach,
Yeah.
by the electric line here.
Driver's side, rear end, bottom. As you can tell how much it's falling apart. I guess that's supposed to be a phenomenon. Or not a phenomenon, but it happens to all the DRVs right around there.
Oh, the screws pop out?
Yeah, right on the back where the back cap meets the side on the bottom down here. And I mean, look at that. You can tell. Whoa.
Wow. That looks creepy.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna try to clean it all out and tighten it all back up, caulk it. And,
Put new screws in?
maybe new screw holes.
Oh, you're going to add to it?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it. Because these are pretty well stripped out.
What's all the crap in there?
That's when they built the coach, obviously it didn't seal up well. So they packed a bunch of putty in here. Old putty.
This is on the opposite side of where the electric goes. And that sucker's just hanging down there. But it appears that you still have this huge gap.
I know.
You got a missing screw there. That screw's backing out as well.
Yeah.
What's your next plan for this big gap?
I don't really have a plan.
What is it you're trying to do?
Push this metal out so I can run a screw in to catch it. To hold it in place.
Can I help?
I don't know yet. What do I do here? Hold this out there like that.
I can see how it fills that gap when you do that.
Yeah. That holding it? Yeah, coming pretty close. All right.
I saw you grimacing while you were holding that, trying to screw it in at the same time.
All right. Let's see how that looks. Not much to screw to.
What the heck do you screw it to? There a hole there?
No, I'll have to make one.
Looky there.
I closed it up.
Good. You pulling that out and then putting that in there. That screw, that's cool.
That's cool.
You need about 100 more screws now.
Yeah. But that gets me 99% of the way home. All
Oh yeah, you don't even have the screws put in there yet. And it's
Fold it up.
it's already pulled up.
Yeah.
Then you can just, once you get all the screws in, then just caulk it like the rest of
Yep.
the bus. Okay. And then
Put a little paint over it. Yeah.
the plastic piece that goes up in there.
I'll be able to get it back up in there. I'll do a little trim work on that aluminum.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But I can get it up in there.
Okay.
And that's
So you just put Back here, it was hanging down like the other side, and you just put some new screws in there, huh?
Yeah. First thing you want to do is wear these.
Nitrile gloves.
Nitrile gloves while caulking with this.
What did you using?
With this
Lexol.
Lexol caulk, because it's pretty ooey gooey sticky stuff.
And if I recall, it skims over very quickly.
You gotta kind of be quick with it. I got the edges all taped up here, so I don't get it all over everything.
Why is it bobbing up? And boy, it's drying that quick?
Nah, it's just, it's an old tube. But and then you just give it the old finger. And with the tape on there, you don't have to worry about getting it all over everything.
You gonna go way up underneath
Yeah,
there?
I'll have to crawl down on the ground to get that.
Oh, okay. You're gonna caulk the crap out of this?
Yep. There we go. Got the caulk crap out of it.
Don't flick that stuff in your face, your skin.
Alright.
What about the crack? Here,
A crack.
where the white paint is showing.
Yeah, it's got caulk on
You
it.
got it all?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not wide open like it was, that's
No.
why.
Can't see it. That white plastic's in front of it.
Oh, you just had to bend up the metal a little bit?
Yeah.
That was it? No
Yeah.
cutting?
No cutting.
Good.
Just a hammer and bend it up.
Oh. Skimmed up already.
Yeah. You gotta be quick.
Well, guess it's better than nothing. Yikes. Well, beats having that big old crack there.
If
And-
it seals it, I'm a happy camper.
And then you gotta get some paint and then kind of redo it so it looks a lot better. But in the meantime, that'll work. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.